Now, last time we had studied, we have finished your textbook, English textbook, right? Um, your Gujarat board textbook. And I will be sharing the question answers slowly and slowly along with these videos. Now, today we shall start with lesson 3, verbs expressing past from your textbook, a grammar textbook. So, let us read. Uh, Simple past tense forms means the verbs which express an action which has already happened, right? Present हमने पढ़ा, उसमें क्या था? We used to use the verbs which were expressing the present time, that is the action was happening in the current time, right? But now in past tense the action has already happened and we are talking sometime after the action is over, right? Okay, now let us study the form. I, we, you, he, she, it, they all will become played or did not play, didn't play. Did not का short form है didn't. And if you are asking a question, start the question with did. Did I, we, you, he, she, it, they play? Question mark, right? That way is the form. Okay, now let us study further. Simple past. What are the uses? We use the simple past tense to express actions finished before the time of speaking. We saw a suspense movie last night. Where did you go last evening? We went to a hotel for dinner. Did you enjoy your dinner? No, we didn't. Right? To express the actions finished before the time of speaking. Then second one, we use it to express some past habit. कोई past में आपकी habit होती है, उसको express करने के लिए भी past tense use होता है. For example, my grandfather liked a cup of hot milk at bedtime. He often skipped dinner but never his milk, right? So this was a habit which grandpa had, and that habit is being described over here. So we are using past tense. We also use it to express an action that took place over a period of time in the past. An action which was taking place for some time continuously in past, then also we use past tense. I lived in the hostel from 2009 to 2011, right? So during all these years I used to stay in the hostel. That is being described over here. Now, let us move on to exercise 1. A friend of yours has returned from holiday. You ask him or her about his or her experience. Frame your questions with the help of the clues given below for oral practice. Right, we shall just solve it. Example, where, go, where did you go? Right, where and go hai, to where did you go? Now, when, go, there, when did you go there? Right, whom, go, with whom did you go there with? How, travel, how did you travel there? Which hotel or stay at, which hotel did you stay at? Get good food, did you get good food there? What do in the evenings, what did you do in the evenings? Right, that way you have to form the questions. I'll give this in the homework. Write down the answer sentences in your notebook, right, so that you'll learn how to use past tense. This is a good exercise, so please do it in your notebook. Right, the words are already given, उस पर से आपको questions form करने हैं past tense form में, right? Write down his or her answers also. Now write a paragraph based on the answers. Summer has just come back after spending a week at Nainital. He went there. Now in questions के ऊपर से आप answers के ऊपर से you can form a paragraph. Okay, just omit that one. But write down these questions so that you will learn how to make questions in past tense. Now let us move on further on the next exercise. Exercise 2, rewrite the following passage using simple past tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Now you have to use the words given in the brackets in past tense form in the following paragraphs. Dash as a child also. You excel. Now what you will write here? You excelled. Past tense form excel का क्या आएगा? You excelled as a child also. It's a question because ये action पहले हो चुकी है past में. A small child asked Einstein. Ask का क्या लिखोगे? Asked. ed लग जाएगा. Past tense verb को generally ed लगता है in simple past tense, right? Asked Einstein, the eminent scientist, I will write down the answer of this paragraph into a fresh paper and I'll share it with you so that you can copy down the answer without any mistakes, right? But pay attention how I'm explaining you to form the verb so that you'll understand how to make past tense verbs. Further, no say Einstein. Now no change नहीं होगा, लेकिन say का क्या हो जाएगा? Said. No said Einstein with a smile. When I be a child, when I be का जो past tense form है वो was है, present tense form is है, right? जो हमने last lesson में किया था. When I was a child, my teachers think का form है thought. My teachers thought that I was, be का again was, a dullard. मतलब मैं dull child था. They not encourage me. They didn't encourage. They didn't encourage का encourage ही रहेगा. Encourage me. On the contrary, one of them once remarked. I'm not writing here because it's not much clear. I'll just write down the answer on a piece of paper and share it so that it becomes more clear to you. I'll just solve it in front of you. One of them once remarked that I would not be able to learn mathematics for the next 7 lives. 7 lives मतलब 7 जन्म तक. A classmate write the word duns. Write का हो जाएगा wrote. Wrote the word duns on my back. But these things not upset me. Didn't upset me. अब डिडेंट आप जब ऐड करते हो तो वर्ब का फॉर्म चेंज नहीं होता. यहाँ पे भी हमने नॉट की जगह पे डिडेंट ऐड किया, राइट? दे डिडेंट एनकरेज, तो एनकरेज का एनकरेज ही रहेगा, उसको ईडी नहीं लगेगा. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस, राइट? व्हेन यू आर एडिंग अ सपोर्टिंग वर्ब यू डोंट हैव टू चेंज द फॉर्म ऑफ द मेन वर्ब, राइट? ये मेन वर्ब है. मे आई आस्क व्हाट कीप यू मोटिवेटेड. कीप का हो जाएगा केप्ट. केप्ट यू मोटिवेटेड. May I ask what kept you motivated? Somebody in the audience quip in. Quip का हो जाएगा quipped. Quipped in. Somebody in the audience quipped in. The sight of my goal, Einstein promptly reply. Reply का हो जाएगा replied. The sight of my goal kept me motivated. You see, I never lose sight. Lose sight, lost sight. Lose का lost हो जाएगा. Lost sight of my goal. I know becomes knew. I knew what I wanted to achieve in life and I continued to work for it with patience and perseverance, right? So here the exercise is over. Let us start with past continuous form. What is past continuous form? Again, continuous tense जहाँ पर आता है verb के साथ हमेशा ing लगता है. ये प्रेजेंट टेंस में भी हमने किया. प्रेजेंट टेंस में हमने कौन से वर्ब्स लगाए थे? इज, आर एंड एम आई के साथ प्लस वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी था, राइट? अब हम लोग पास्ट टेंस में क्या लगाएंगे? इज, आर, एम की जगह पे हो जाएगा वॉज, वेयर, राइट? लेट अस स्टडी. आई, ही, शी, इट, वॉज नॉट या वॉजंट प्लेइंग. We, you, they, were not या weren't playing, right? Was, were is the past tense supporting verb. Then question पूछने के लिए was या were को पहले करेंगे. Was I, he, she, it playing? Were we, you, they playing, right? Were we playing? Were you playing? Were they playing? That is the way the sentence can be formed. This is just a idea given that you can form the sentences in this way. Remember this, supporting verbs in past continuous tense form are was, were, and verb plus ing is always there in a continuous tense form. Further, past continuous uses. We use the past continuous tense to express an action in progress or some moment before the time of speaking. It was raining hard at 5 o'clock last evening. What were you doing when the guests arrived? I was getting ready to go to the concert. Weren't you sleeping? No, I wasn't. Right? These are all past continuous tense. When you are using it, when there is a progress or at some moment before the time of speaking. An action is in progress at some time before speaking. Then second one, very often we use the simple past tense and past continuous tense together to suggest that something happened when another action was in progress. Yes, we use it in reference of simple past tense के past में ये हुआ था, उसके reference में continual action अभी चल रहा है, ऐसा express करने के लिए भी हम लोग past continuous tense को use करते हैं. So underline this. Now here it is given, the phone rang when he was watching television. The phone rang when time of speaking is some time afterwards. When he was watching television is the reference when the phone rang, right? He married Srishti when they were working together. So when did he marry Srishti? When they were working together. So this is a reference that you get from simple past tense. Now let us move on to the exercise. Exercise 3. The passage below describes a strange dream you had last night. Rewrite the passage putting the verbs in the correct form of the past tense, either simple past or past continuous. It be just past midnight. Be ka form. It was just past midnight. The train run fast but smoothly. The train ran fast but smoothly. You can say the train was running. The train was running because you are doing it in the reference of some activity. So it was just past midnight. The train was running smoothly. It had left Kanpur behind and was heading. It will be was heading towards Patna. Most of the passengers were asleep. Right, sleep का asleep हो जाएगा. Were asleep. Passengers, more than one people, so it will be were. An elderly gentleman tell the beads. Tell का हो जाएगा told the beads and mumble a prayer. And mumbled a prayer. A young lady. You can even you can write it in present past continuous tense. An elderly gentleman was telling हो जाएगा, was telling the beads and mumbling a prayer. A young lady was reading a novel. I mentally go over the events of the day. I was mentally going over the events of the day when I suddenly heard a loud blast. The train shake. The train was shaking violently but didn't get derailed. डिडेंट यूज़ किया है, गेट का फॉर्म चेंज नहीं होगा. डिडेंट गेट डीरेल्ड. इट बी अ रियल नैरो एस्केप. इट वॉज अ रियल नैरो एस्केप. राइट, अगेन दिस पैराग्राफ ऑल्सो आई शेयर द आंसर की so you can copy it down. Now let us move on to exercise 4. A burglary took place in the house of Mr. Santokh Singh at about 11 p.m. on Monday. Next morning, a police inspector visited the house and summoned Mr. Santokh Singh, his wife, his elder son and daughter-in-law, his younger son, who is a student, the cook, the maid and the street watchman. He wanted to know that what they were doing at the time of the burglary took place. Burglary मतलब चोरी, कोई घर तोड़ के अंदर घुस आता है, that is called burglary. Complete the dialogue on the lines suggested below for oral practice. Okay, fine. Let us omit this exercise because we have to form the dialogue entirely on our own. Now let us move on to present perfect form. Present perfect form. Here present perfect पे आए हैं हम लोग because it is in relation to past continuous. That is why we are coming to present perfect form. I, we, you, they, have not, haven't. और अगर आप have का short form यूज़ करते हो तो I have हो जाता है, we, e लगाते हैं. Played. He, she, it has not, hasn't played. हैव हैज़ यूज़ करते हैं परफेक्ट फॉर्म में हम लोग. हैव और हैज़. हैव आई वी यू दे प्लेड क्वेश्चन मार्क. Has he she it played, right? When there is a single person we use has, when there is more than one person and I and you we use have, right? Now let us move on to the present perfect uses. We use the present perfect tense to express an action that has just been completed. Sudha, have you heard from father? Rekha, I have just got a letter from him. Number 2, we also use it to express an action completed sometime in past but linked with the present, right? कोई भी action जो past में complete हो गई है, but there is a link between that action and present tense, right? That we speak out in present perfect tenses. The action in the past has a result now. The traffic police have closed this road to heavy vehicles. So heavy vehicles cannot move along this road now. The principal has extended the date to pay the fees. So we can pay the fees even now without any fine. Right? They have extended the dates to pay the fees, so we can even pay it now. So the past action has some relation with the present just now. That is why there we use present perfect tense. So underline these 2 points where you use and write down one example each for both. Even write down this, that this is very important, how you form the questions. Okay, now further, third point is we can use the present perfect tense with just, already and yet. Underline that also. They also signify time. Just, already and yet. Already मतलब already हो गया है, हो चुका है. Just is just now and yet मतलब अभी तक हुआ नहीं है. Just is a very short time ago. Would you like to have a cup of tea? Write down this one example. No thanks, I have just taken a glass of milk. I have just gone through your essay. It's an excellent piece of composition. We use already to suggest that something happened sooner than expected. कुछ जल्दी हो गया, उसके लिए already हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं. I hope you will invite Manpreet to your birthday party. I have already invited her. Don't forget to pay the telephone bill in time. I have already paid it, right? Then yet we use until now. We use to signify until now. Yet is normally used in questions and negative sentences. Has the train arrived yet? I have received the letter, but I haven't sent a reply yet, right? So until now, the action which has not taken place, for that we use yet. In questions, we often use ever with the present perfect tense. Ever means in the whole of your life. Have you ever been to France? That means in your life, have you ever been to France? Yes, I have been there twice. Have you ever taken part in a play? Yes or no, whatever is your answer, right? Okay, now exercise 5. Let us complete it. Complete the sentences using the verbs in the brackets, just, already, yet, and any interesting news. Sorry, I dash the newspaper. I didn't read the newspaper yet. These you have to use it, right? I didn't read the newspaper yet. Both you have to use. Don't forget to take the next dose of your medicine. I dash it. I took it already. When is Tim expected back? He arrived. He just arrived. Right? Then I have been to all the major cities of India, but I dash Bengaluru. Not visit yet, but I haven't visited Bengaluru yet, right? When is Anil leaving for office? He dash leave already. He left. He has, sorry, it will be he has already left. Then sixth one, I dash your result. Congratulations on your brilliant performance. I just saw your result. C का हो जाएगा saw, right? So if we finish exercise 5 over here, from exercise 6 we'll start next time. We stop here today. Write down all the important points that I've underlined, and the exercise which I have told you to write in your notebook. These paragraphs with the answer keys, I'll be sharing. Paragraphs are there in the textbook itself, so you can compare and write down the answer keys in your notebook. Write down these two boxes so they give you a better idea of how we form the past tense forms in present, past continuous, past simple past, and present perfect forms, right? We stop here today.